Hello there, fourth dimension trading time. Sean here. This is the update on foreign exchange after the break for a holiday. Begin with the dollar index. The downtrend ended last week, those two diamonds. However, we didn't manage to make it to the original breakdown point at 101.96.5, which is the key level. Get a close above there, and that turns the trend up. At the moment, it hasn't managed to form support, so nothing below until 98.46. Onto the euro dollar, uptrend ended on the same day as the dollar index, but we haven't managed to reach that support at 110.09. When we look on the futures, a little bit different. We've sort of come down to some daily levels. Key level below is actually 109.04 and a half, so a daily close below there would turn the trend down. Onto cable. Had a negative signal again last week, and we've sort of edged lower, but we're just moving either side of that weekly level. So when we look at the futures, we're back below that weekly level that lies at 131.68, and if we make a close below 131.11, then that would open up the downside and target 128.69. Plenty of action on the yen. We've got very close to attacking that weekly base support that is at 141.81. It's going to take a daily close below 140.25 in order to turn the trend down. Euro yen got a negative signal at the beginning of the week. Can move down to 154.41. Resistance point is at 160.42. Dollar Swiss also came down to its final support, hasn't closed below it, so no close references at the moment. When we look at the futures, we've failed at that weekly level, which lies at 119.19, and we can rotate back down to 117.50. Big contrast when we look at Asia Pacific. Aussie dollar got a negative signal on Tuesday, and then it's pretty weak again today. Nothing in the way of support. We've got 67.06 above, and when we look at the futures, again we've taken out the weekly level, and so there's not much in the way of support. Kiwi, similar sort of story. We can rotate down to 61.09. Dollar CAD, we didn't make it to 34.23, had some positive signals at the lows, nothing above until all the way up at 38.46. When we look at the futures, again, no support, so plenty of room for the Canadian dollar to move. And we'll finish up with the euro pound. Pretty quiet, obviously broke down a few weeks ago, but no nearby levels at present. Okay, thank you.